Heatline's Paladin and EXT Series heating cable systems are award-winning self-regulating heating cable sets. They are used for external pipe freeze protection of many pipe types and sizes, and they set new benchmarks in reliability and innovation. Imagine a world where electrical safety, efficiency, and longevity converge seamlessly. Unlike other outdated heat tapes for pipes, Paladin and EXT Series employ Heatline's advanced self-regulating heating cable technology, ensuring safe, reliable, energy-efficient, and long-lasting operation. Experience ease of installation with the Paladin and EXT Series. The system is supplied job-ready as a plug-in unit and is factory finished to length. The Paladin and EXT Series heating cable systems simply plug in to a 120 volt or 240 volt receptacle and are provided complete with GFCI protection. No extra electrical work is required. Paladin and EXT Series is a versatile system engineered to install on the outside of a variety of different pipes, and it is suitable for a wide variety of environments. Paladin and EXT Series heating cable systems are designed to be insulated for high efficiency in extreme climates and can be safely installed on metallic or non-metallic pipes. The systems are safe to operate within dry pipes and also storm drains, and are CSA approved in North America for both wet location and direct earth burial, making them suitable for non-pressurized, non-potable pipes. Compatible pipe materials include but are not limited to ABS, polyethylene, copper, iron, PEX, and PVC. The Paladin and EXT Series heating cable systems are commonly used in applications such as homes, cottages, cabins, trailers, farms, commercial and industrial plants. They are also excellent for specialized applications in mining and exploration. Examples of applications include but are not limited to water pipes, sewer pipes, forced mains, holding tanks, pressurized evacuation systems. A unique operating characteristic of the Paladin and EXT Series is they can be overlapped during installation without any concern of overheating at the point of contact. Traditional style heat tapes must be pitched or spiraled around pipes in order to apply an adequate amount of heat, and as a result they consume a large amount of energy and are costly to operate. In most cases, the Paladin and EXT Series heating cable system can be installed as a single run along the pipe's length, reducing the overall length of the product by as much as 60%. This reduction in heating cable length not only results in a more efficient and easier installation process, but is also a monumental reduction in operating costs. Additionally, the system can be safely insulated, further enhancing energy efficiency and cold climate reliability. With applications where there is a concern that the heating cable may come into contact with harsh substances or chemicals, Heatline manufactures the EXT-T alternate heating cable system. EXT-T is manufactured using an industrial-grade fluoropolymer jacket that is resistant to both organic and inorganic materials, demonstrating rugged reliability and exceptional performance. Manufactured and designed in North America, the Paladin and EXT Series heating cable sets come with a 5-year limited warranty with an optional 10-year extended warranty. Embrace winters unburdened by worry with the most reliable, easy to install, and energy efficient heating cable system on the market.